I ever find somebody new, girl, I'll owe it all to you. 'Cause baby, I changed for the better, got my shit together like you always wanted me to. I'm a little screw up, a little more grew up since I messed it up with you. I can't take back your last goodbye, and the good Lord knows I've tried. 'Cause baby, I've changed everything but your mind.
Let's learn Step and Rumba. It's choreographed by Susanne Oates. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. It also has a couple different songs listed on the step sheet so that you can choose one that fits best for you. So let's turn around and learn Step and Rumba. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right diagonal and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot back towards the left diagonal, back, and touch. We're now going to step our right foot back to the right diagonal, touch, step our left foot forward where we just came from, and touch. That's the first 8. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping forward, 1 touch, 2, 3 touch, 4, 5 touch, 6, 7 touch, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. Step your right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, touch, left. Repeat that same thing to the left. Left side, right behind, right side, and touch. Let's try that with some counts. Right, 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a reverse rumba box. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot into your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Step your right foot back and touch your left. We're now going to step our left foot to the side. Bring your right foot into your left, taking weight onto your right foot. Step your left foot forward and touch. Let's try that with some counts. Right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final section of the dance. We're going to do a grapevine quarter turn to the right. Step your right foot to the side. Left foot behind. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're going to touch your left next to your right. We're going to end it by stepping our left foot to the side, sway your hips to the left, to the right, then to the left, and touch your right next to your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. We just did our rumba. We're going side behind. 1, 2, 3, 4 hips, 5, 6, 7, touch, 8. End of dance. So let's do this front wall all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts before we go all the way around. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping into the right diagonal, doing our K step. Step forward, right touch, left, back, left, touch, right, back, right, touch, left, forward, left, touch, right, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, reverse rumba. Side, together, back with the right touch. Side, together, forward, left, and touch, grapevine, side, behind, turn, touch. Hip, right, left, touch. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping your right foot into the diagonal. 1 touch, 2, 3 touch, 4, 5 touch, 6, 7 touch, 8. 1, 2, 3 touch, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to practice 4 walls of this dance. The front and back wall will use step names, and the side walls we'll practice with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our K step to the forward diagonal. Forward diagonal, touch, back diagonal, touch, back diagonal, touch, forward diagonal, touch. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, reverse rumba. Side, together, right, back, and touch. Side, together, left, forward, and touch. side, behind, quarter turn, and touch, hip, left, right, left, K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, K-step forward, right, touch, left, left, touch, right, right, touch, left, left, touch, right, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Now your reverse rumba, right together, left, back, right, left together, right, left, forward, grapevine with a quarter turn and a touch. Now your hips, left, right, left, touch, K-step, 1, touch 2, 3, touch 4, 5, touch 6, 7, touch 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Has no tags and no restarts, so you can add as much fun as you want into it. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope this helped you learn this really fun absolute beginner dance. Thanks, guys.